Hey everyone, and welcome back! Today, we're creating a stunning transparent header in JupyterX with Elementor. Want that modern, sleek look where your header blends perfectly with your site? You're in the right place! And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one, Elementor-based WordPress theme with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready-made websites, exclusive WooCommerce features, and no Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started. As you can see, my JupyterX site is in simplicity mode. If yours is not, see the description for a link to the relevant tutorial. Okay, now we're on the front end. Let's hover over to Edit with Elementor and click Header. I'll right-click on the header section and select Edit section from the menu. Let's jump over to the Style tab to adjust the background. Click the color picker here. Drag the opacity slider down to 0. And our header background is now transparent. Okay, we're halfway through creating our transparent header. Click Publish to save the changes. And see how does it look like in front end so far. Okay. As you can see, the header background is still showing pure white and hasn't turned transparent yet. We are going to fix that now. Okay, back at our header editor, and I'm going to click the header settings button here at the top and activate Overlay Content feature. This is a key step because it will allow the header to sit on top of the page content, creating that transparent effect we're after. Publish the changes. Refresh the page in front end. And there we have it. Our JupyterX website now has a nice transparent header. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on creating a transparent header with JupyterX. Remember, a little customization can go a long way in making your site stand out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more JupyterX and WordPress tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.